So I was using my tractor far from home and my regular valve stem blew out of the back tire. I lost all of my liquid ballast, probably like 80 bucks worth of liquid. And it's impossible to pop the friggin' bead to get these on without going through a whole lot of stress. So I found this thing. It's a quick valve stem. You put it in like this. Of course it doesn't fucking fit. I gotta drill that out a little bit. Right, it was just a little rust buildup preventing it from going in, so I just cleaned it out with that. And now, all you do, push that in, tighten this down, and it makes a seal, and you got a valve stem. Now I get to refill it with more liquid. I'm just gonna use water for now until winter. I have to blow money. You're adding fluid, you can feel the temperature difference at different points, and that's how you can tell how full it is. You want the fluid to go above the rim.